Hi, in today's video we're going to help reduce and erase those pesky mouth lines from the chin area all the way up to where those smoke lines can also be as well, between the nose and the mouth. We're going to do some great massage exercises, some great fascia work to release any tension within this area, and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage massage. So first things first, I'm Ali, I'm a facialist. I've been a facialist for the last 7 years, and I'm passionate about face yoga, facial massage, lymphatic drainage, and also fascia work. Now I'm starting with clean skin, and I'm using just a little bit of facial oil, just so you've got a slip and glide. You don't want to be compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. If you have a face serum, that's fine too. Now just placing it into the fingers and then just gently applying from the jawline where the chin is, under the mouth, the side of the mouth, not forgetting between the nose and the mouth, and then just down the lower part of the face, and then just applying the oil down by the side of the neck. So first of all, from the jawline, I'm now working in an upwards motion, and I'm just going to do some gentle tapping all along the mouth. What we're doing here is we're really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area. Also not forgetting the lips. And then with the fingers, just very gently work up in an upwards flicking motion, just warming everything up if you like. And then with the fingers as a V shape, we're going to place the finger literally where the jawline is, where those potential smile lines can almost end up. Come up past the mouth towards the nostrils. Just a nice, gentle, light touch. If we have any lines here, we don't want to be compromising them anymore. And one last time. And then the thumbs placed under the chin, the fingers are almost in a hook shape. Just want to massage, including the lips. Round circular motion, nice and light, and then work our way by the side of the mouth. Not forgetting between the nose and the mouth, if you have any potential smoke lines or lines above the lips, to the nostrils. And then where the nostrils are, just below, just here, we have an acupressure point, and this can get actually quite tight, and this a lot of the time is the starting point of any wrinkles down this area. So you want to just give those a nice little gentle massage to release any tight tension. Just massaging one way and then the other. And then just release it by placing the fingers under the cheekbone towards the ears. Now with the fingers here, just where the lips are, just above, let's do some flicking motions, smoothing out any of those vertical lines by moving our fingers horizontally. And whatever you placed onto your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. And then if you can just gently press here as well, a great acupressure point. And again, just a few more flicks. So let's do a bit of fascia work now. Now we can get quite a lot of tight fascia in this area, so you want to kind of release it. So I'm placing my fingers almost into a zigzag motion, and then just crisscrossing from the jawline all along the chin area and working our way upwards. This is a fairly light to medium touch. And the other side. And then flicking upwards with the fingers. And then just come across, upwards and out. So now with our fingers as a hook again, I'm just gently again massaging, really helping whatever product we've placed to penetrate in even better. Also helping with elastin and collagen as well, whilst doing these facial massage exercises. And again, not forgetting under the nose and above the lip here. Particularly if you do have any extra lines here, just give it a little extra massage. And then literally coming up and across. This is a really nice, lovely movement. And 2 more times. And then what we're going to do is taking our fingers, kind of almost using the flat of our hand for more surface area, we're just very gently lifting up towards the nostril and just gliding along towards the ears. What we're doing here, we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so just a nice, light, delicate touch is needed. Just massaging out really nice and gently. And then with the flat of the hand, where we have our collarbone, I'm now just coming up from the neck towards the jawline and just above the jawline, where the mouth and the chin is, and just gliding along towards the ears. And then take a V shape with the finger and just gently glide either side of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then down the side of the neck down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, flat of the hand, coming up just above the chins where the mouth is, gliding along the jawline, back of the ears, just coming along. Kind of make a V shape, coming along, V shape. So you've got fingers in front, fingers behind the ears, coming down to the side of the neck, down to the collarbone. And then from our collarbone, from our chin all the way down where our collarbone is here, we have some indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this facial area to really help with these facial lines and wrinkles around the mouth into the body, ready for elimination. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will place another video here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be really great. And please comment down below. Tell me if there's any other videos you'd like me to share with you to do with face yoga, facial massage, lymphatic drainage, and also fascia work. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Sorry, I know this is very long. And a thumbs up really does help with the algorithm. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.